is fucking about to explode actually. But yeah, you see I don't take any damage myself. What? I thought those were like...
Wanted to give this thing a try, and it's a really complicated, intricate thing. As you're getting close to a fight, what you need to do is, see if I can get this, you press R. That's all you really got to do. And then you can just run at the guy faster, and then your damage is higher, and you shouldn't really be doing that after you start hitting it or get to the fight late. So as I wait for this to time out, I'll see if I can get it again. And there's a lot of combos that kind of come after this. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to try and do the full combo. I'm going to press R and then drop all my damage on there. And it's really simple. So you kind of press R, and then from there, you kind of just mash your face on the keyboard. And you just kind of do that for a little bit. And there you go. That is how you play Aatrox in Pro Play.
Yeah, there we go then. Coming up next, we'll hear from Jankos as usual.
What are you doing after the stream?
After the stream?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
No idea.
No. But should we close the stream?
Do you want to?
Yeah, I'm starting streaming for so many hours. Chat?
Chat. It's time to
Win?
say goodbye.
No.
Don't listen to them. They're only going to say yes.
Yes.
They're only going to say keep
No.
streaming. They want you to suffer.
They want me to suffer even more.
Switch chat.
We can host someone.
Huh?
Should we host someone?
Who do we host, lads? Who do we host?
Go
Back.
for...
Who the fuck is this guy? Who is this? Captain America point. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Poop. Joe. Sleep. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, fuck. I'm on open mic again. Fuck.
Imagine a time where deodorant didn't exist. I mean, there's a time. Go to Europe. Okay? They're still in that time, for whatever reason. Steez, bruh, thank you for the Twitch Prime sub.
Oh, is she actually streaming? Holy shit, she looks like she's having a shroom trip. Is she streaming at like 480p? What the fuck? Her webcam resolution is set incorrectly. And it's triggering the fuck out of me.
I'm burned for the driver's seat.
Oh, later, bitch. Oh.
Where'd I go to college? None of your business. University. Population. Goddamn. Bam, 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 bam. Why the fuck would I tell you that? It's not a good idea to divulge any personal information. Dr. Disrespect got shot at with a guy with a gun. They drove by his house and shot at it twice, by the way, and people wonder why I'm paranoid. I don't understand your logic. Hey, man, I don't want to die to some psycho.
Scored, right? The Reddit? Yeah, right here, dude. Look. Let's see how many emotes we have, boys, that we can upload. What are slots? Okay. I kicked you, leave it here. How many good emotes do we have in here, boys? What is that? What the fuck? Okay, dude, that doesn't count. That's a GIF emote, dude.
Hey, yo, congrats on that, dude. Nice job. Good job, easy peasy, by the way. Congrats, bro. Yeah, do that again. Can you do that again? Okay. Exodus the Dreamer from the guild Tilt Proof.
Let's go see if our boy's got a donger. Oh, he's got a donger. He's got a donger, all right. Let me touch it. I'm a child.
$2.1 million Instagram followers. Holy fuck, guys. Spread those legs. Nice comments.
To punish, if at all. Trying to run. 50 now moving forward, but you can see G2 setting up around the Baron pit. They will threaten to take this. They fully commit onto Wonder. Solid Snake is there. There's no jungler. We're all eyes on Wonder, but the Baron is just as important at this stage of the game. Wonder now running for his life. He doesn't really have any other options out. Wants to pull him back. He's going to get the fear off. Can Wonder actually outplay this? He's already 2v1. He's already survived. He's already bought enough time for his team to take the Baron. Infinity have to contest now or they're going to lose everything. Baron dropping for G2. Wonder is still alive. He's still looking for the outplay. He's going to break the passive as well on the retreat. Oh my God!
Wonder finds himself the 2 versus 1 on the Urgot, and this is why he's considered one of the best top laners in Europe.
Vedius, I am lost for words. Fantastic from Wonder. The rest of G2 now gets to have a heyday with the map. They have a man advantage. They have the Baron. They are uncontested, and Wonder is here again. He just says, throw a few more at me. Send 3, send 4. My team...
I'm like French, like I can speak Spanish sometimes. Aye. Fonzie. D. Oh no. Oh no. Oh yeah. Diri daddy. Sabes que ya le borrato miradote. Tengo que yo.
What was that throw? It was from the house.
I hope I unmuted. Did I unmute? Sorry, sorry, I'm really sorry.
Okay, enough of this bullshit already. I just want to say really sincerely, thank you so much guys for staying here, and once again thank you for all the raid and hosts, okay, and thank you my moderators for staying by me. I really appreciate, and thank you for my my usual people, my community for staying by me. You guys are amazing, and it's been so fun, and I had a lot of fun, and you guys are amazing, and also thank you to all the fappers for fapping in my chat like 3 times a day. You know, you guys are really great in like adding the numbers to my views. I really appreciate that, even though you guys do nothing but fapping, but that's really nice of you to stay in here. You know, plus 1 view is always a view at least. Okay, and also all right, okay, that's all, man. Like wankers, fappers, who else? Wait, who else? Wankers, fappers, moderators, my family, my people. Wait, who else? Let me just think. Okay, I think that's all. Okay. Yeah, okay, alright, okay.
I mean, you literally told, the last time you told me to tell him something, you told him to tell him about how you almost killed me because I tried to quit.
I think I can trust you guys enough to say yeah.
What the fuck is that thing?
What?
Ah! Oh, fuck! Oh! Jesus Christ!
What is happening? The place is also haunted, Bird.
Oh my god!
Drop it.
Thank you.